Hi everyone, Nancy with That Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So, the other week, Susan from the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch had a giveaway. It was the Fannie Farmer giveaway collab that she and LouAnn from LouAnn's Kitchen, also Blackberry Rock Homestead, did, and I won a prize. So, that sounded like Zelda. From Zelda Sews. Oh, she is great too. But anyway, Susan, I got her package. I told her I'd do a video when I was opening it. So here we are. Oh goodness. If you haven't checked out Susan's channel, she's got some great tips over there. And everything. And she's in West Tennessee because other friends are in East Tennessee. She got this one there good. Alright. So, y'all know me. Alrighty. We're getting there. I love food, but not all food loves me. So how about that? Alright. I don't know how she got these in here. She got these in here really good. Alrighty. Here we go. So, we've got this one. It's Serving with Love. Main dishes. Main course foods from which to choose from. And oh, look at that. That's so cute. Hello, the little kids in there. Makes me think of Holly Hobby. Y'all remember that? Growing up, Holly Hobby. Or Raggedy Ann and Andy. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. So I got one. The Serving with Love main course foods from which to choose, and servings with love, desserts galore, and much, much more. So these were the door prizes that I won. I think I don't know, which one do y'all like better? The desserts or the main courses? They all look good. And it's the same way, her little face right there. And then the pies. I gotta start doing a lot of things by scratch, so, you know. Oh, there's a cake. What should I do? I make my own bread and all. So, these are wonderful. I'm going to enjoy looking through those and everything and see what to make. And you never know. I'll be making something on the channel. So I want to thank Susan so much. She's a great friend and a great supporter. You know, so, and you know, she does all kinds of crafts. She has 50 finds from the thrift stores and all. So, you know, she finds some good deals. We don't have that much thrift stores around here anymore. When the Big C came around, a lot of them closed. But, you know, they'll come back. So, thank you everybody for watching. I will put her link down below. And LouAnn's link down below and everything. So, God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.